Hello trophies, welcome to I Jump Instead and welcome to this 10-minute Supercharge Saturday sit bounce routine where we're actually going to be doing a lot of stand-up bouncing, but we're going to throw in sit bouncing into this 10-minute workout. We're going to have a 2-minute sprint in the middle of this 10-minute workout, and it is going to supercharge every cell in our entire bodies. This is an all levels workout. If you're a brand new beginner, I do recommend that you check out our beginner playlist in the description box below, where we guide you through beautiful 30-minute workouts that stretch and strengthen your entire body, head to toe, at a very gentle pace using the performance bar at all times. So check out that playlist. Otherwise, all levels are welcome to this class. Just modify it to your intensity to meet your fitness needs. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? 10 minutes. I'm on my Jump Sport 350 Pro, and I'm closing my mouth to nose breathe for this entire workout. So let's just put ourselves in this baby bounce stretch. Up and down, working with our rebounder. Let's go ahead and widen our stance and twist in a Tai Chi twist, staying right up the center of our mat. Keep your teeth closed, keep your head forward, and keep your ankles and your knees and your hips loose. Beautiful. 2 more. Last one. Let's go ahead and do some hip thrusting here, forward, back. Now let's take one hand and reach it down diagonal, stretch the lips opposite the shoulder. And do the same on the other side, stretching the lips over. And let's go ahead and tuck the chin down. All right, trophies, so we're gonna do northy now. So we're gonna get into a rocking, and we're gonna take our right arm and we're gonna stretch it up here. So stretch up. When your right leg is straight, your right arm is straight. Perfect. Let's go ahead and switch arms in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Be gentle and easy, just rocking gently. Excellent. Now we're going to do open heart in 3, 2, 1, and switch. So open heart. Let's go ahead and pull that elbow back behind us. When your arm is straight, your right leg is straight. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Perfect. Open up your chest. Keep your jaw closed and your eyes relaxed and your spine nice and tall. Excellent. Now we're going to do selfie in 3, 2, 1, and switch. So selfie is a straight leg, straight arm reach with a rocking through the hips. Perfect. A nice shoulder bob to stretch through the core. Let's go ahead and switch in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Excellent. So we're going to go right down to sit bouncing now for 2 minutes. So in 20 seconds, get ready to sit down. If you need to get down early, you can. Let's go ahead and just rock here with me and do some hip twists coming up on the balls of the feet. You can slow this down too with a mid bounce. We want to get into those hips and stretch. All right, let's go ahead now and sit bounce. So you're welcome to sit between your handlebar here and bob, or you can sit to the side and have one hand on your handlebar. And what we want to do is start punching forward, just easy punches. Perfect. Sometimes when the handlebar is in the way, that's why we want to sit sideways. Excellent. Let's go ahead now and do sky punches. Excellent. Now we're going to do arm pumps. So we're just going to pump the elbows back when we're in the air. Give our biceps and triceps a nice stretch. Control through the deltoids. Going easy breezy. Sit bouncing is very concentrated, and so just bounce very gently. All right, let's do some arm punches again, forward. Excellent. Let's go ahead and take them up to the sky. And you're always welcome to slow these movements down if you want to add a mid bounce between each punch. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do our arm pumps now. Pull them back, stretch through the biceps and the triceps. All right, at the 5-minute mark, we're gonna stand up and do 1 minute of side steps, and then we're gonna do our 2-minute sprint. So go ahead and get ready to stand up with me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're keeping your jaw closed. Excellent. Side steps. Perfect. So if you want to throw in some arm movements here, I do like to do a high wave. So we'll start with the right arm and we'll switch to the left side. For the sprint, I just want you to pick it up to a pace that brings your heart rate up to a comfortable zone. Let's go ahead and switch arms here. And I want you to stay in the nose breathing zone so that you keep your stress down and you build up your fitness in that safe way. We don't want to get into the mouth breathing zone because that's when we bring stress into the body. So I just want you to move in a way that brings your heart rate up. The typical moves are jogging, jumping jacks, and squatted walking. Let's go ahead and prepare 3, 2, 1, 2 minutes. So you can be jogging here with me. You can have your hands on the handlebar. You can also do squatted walking back and forth. And you can also do jumping jacks at your desired pace. 2 minutes. And feel free to switch it up, stick with one move. You can do it differently every time you do this workout. And I do encourage you doing this workout again and again. Stay relaxed in your eye muscles and in your shoulders and poised through your spine and your jaw being closed. Power breathe with accordion lungs, fueling your muscles with the oxygen they're demanding. Staying relaxed. Stay in your comfortable zone, or what we like to call the fun comfortable zone, where you're just pushing your threshold, but you're still in your nose breathing zone. We're gonna sit bounce next, so get ready for that. If you wanna take a 10-second break at the 50-second mark, let's do that together. Otherwise, you can go all the way to the top of the minute in your sprint. 2, 1, I'm gonna take that 10-second break. Then we'll do a sit bounce, arm pump, cool down. All right, let's go ahead and sit down and pump the arms. While we bring our heart rate down and relax, keeping the teeth closed, lips closed. You can purse your lips too to put a little contraction in your face muscles. Try to take all tension out of the neck and stay focused and present. Excellent job, bringing your heart rate down, staying nice and relaxed. For the last minute, we're gonna lay down, and so just tip back with me and lay down. If you must grab a towel, you can do that. You also have the option to keep sit bouncing for the last minute or to stand bounce for the last minute. So if we can lay down, we're gonna pull our feet up and we're gonna bounce. So if you know how to bounce, go ahead and bounce with me for this last minute, keeping your head up off the mat to strengthen your neck and face muscles. If you don't know how to bounce yet, you're welcome to do any movement here to activate your abs. Leg swimming is one of my favorites. Toe touches is one of my favorites as well. And then if you want to use this minute to practice your bouncing, just get your legs moving in a momentum up and down the best you can. More practice, you'll eventually get it. You can put your hands down on the rim of your rebounder. You can use your hands to get you bouncing. Whatever helps you get going, you'll eventually get it. Flatten your back into your mat. Rest your head and your neck by putting your hands behind your head whenever you need to. 3, 2, 1, and then relax. Let's go ahead, all stand back up here and move slowly and gently and safely, keeping your hands on the handlebar, and then finish class with a standing bounce. Relaxing every cell in the body with poise. Excellent job, trophies. So easy and fun, right? Go ahead and press replay and supercharge yourself again for 10 more minutes. Otherwise, give the video a like. Well, give the video a like either way if you can, so that I know that you liked this routine and you want more just like this. I had so much fun in this supercharged 10-minute workout. I seriously feel so charged up right now, just like you. And then comment below a pink heart if you just want to check into the comments section, and so we can see who is in this class today. All right, trophies, have a fantastic rest of your trophy day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.